Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download and install the Cider application on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open your App Store. In the search bar, type in Cider. Look for this Cider Clothing and Fashion application. Once you get to this page, tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. Authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to start the download process. Wait for a few minutes until the app gets downloaded, and then once it does, tap on Open. And there you have successfully installed the Cider application on your iOS device. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more quick and safe tech tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.